And in relations we have our first topic as Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product of two sets. So Cartesian product of two sets, if we have two sets A and B, such that एक A में एलिमेंट्स हैं आपके पास 1 2 3 और B में एलिमेंट्स हैं आपके पास 4 5, then Cartesian product of two sets is written as A cross B, and it is calculated by associating each element of set A का हर एलिमेंट एसोसिएट होगा B के हर एलिमेंट के साथ. So calculation of Cartesian product A cross B. So first take element 1 of the set A. 1 associated with 4, then 1 associated with 5. Then each and every element will be associated. 2 will be first associated with 4, then 2 will be associated with 5. Then 3 will be associated with 4 and 3 will be associated with 5. So now we are going to define it. So definition of A cross B is A cross B is a set of ordered pairs. Ordered pairs means ये जो pairs आए हैं आपके पास, अब जो एलिमेंट्स आए हैं इसके सेट के, ये पेयर्स की फॉर्म में आए हैं, राइट. तो इन पेयर्स को बोलते हैं इट इज़ अ सेट ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स इन विच फर्स्ट एलिमेंट बिलोंग टू सेट ए एंड सेकेंड एलिमेंट बिलोंग टू सेट B. Let us take one more example. Suppose if we have a set M as ABC D and we have a set N as B, then what is N cross M? So if we are calculating N cross M, we will write elements of N first and then we will write M later. Now associate each element of N with every element of M. तो N में तो सिर्फ एक ही एलिमेंट है, तो यही सबके साथ एसोसिएट हो जाएगा. आपका आंसर आएगा BA, BB, BC and BD. So N cross M is a set containing ordered pairs. So these are ordered pairs in which first element belong to set N and second element belong to set M. Let us have some more examples. Suppose if we have a set A as 1 2 and set B has elements 3 4. Now I am going to calculate A cross B, then I am going to calculate B cross A, and then I am going to check whether A cross B is equal to B cross A or not? So what will be A cross B? Associate each and every element of A with every element of B. So first 1 will be associated with 3 and 4, 1 3, 1 4. Then 2 will be associated with 3 and 4, it will be 2 3, 2 4. And then we will stop. Similarly in B cross A will be first write elements of B. So it will be 3 1, 3 2, and then 4 1, 4 2. Now the question is whether A cross B is equal to B cross A or not. Answer is, before discussing the answer, I must tell you the difference between ordered pair and a set. इन अ सेट आप एलिमेंट्स को आगे पीछे लिख सकते हैं, 1 2 लिखो या 2 1 लिखो, बात एक ही है. लेकिन ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में अगर 1 2 लिखा गया तो इसका एक स्पेशल ऑर्डर है. यहाँ पे इस ऑर्डर में, इन दिस ऑर्डर, 1 रिप्रेजेंट्स x कोऑर्डिनेट एंड 2 रिप्रेजेंट्स y कोऑर्डिनेट. तो अगर आप 1, 2 पॉइंट प्लॉट करोगे तो 1, 2 आएगा यहाँ, राइट, x पे 1 और y पे 2. बट अगर आप 2, 1 प्लॉट करोगे तो वो पॉइंट्स बिल्कुल डिफरेंट पॉइंट दिखाई देगा. सो दीज 2 पॉइंट्स आर डिफरेंट, दैट मीन्स this is not equal. 1, 2 is not equal to 2, 1. But in a set 1, 2 as elements is also equal to 2, 1. So this is a basic difference between set and an ordered pair, and that is why, because 1, 3 is not equal to 3, 1, so very clearly (1, 3) is not equal to 3, 1. So A cross B is also not equal to B cross A. Let's take one more example. If we have a set M as 2 3 4 and we have set N as 2 3, we have to find M cross N and find number of elements in M cross N. Now to calculate M cross N, it is very easy. You just have to associate every element of N with every element of N as ordered pairs. So we will first take 2 associated with 2, 2 associated with 3, then take 3 associated with 2, 3 associated with 3, then take 4 associated with 4, and 4 is associated with 2. Sorry, 4 is associated with 2, and then 4 is associated with 3 as ordered pairs. Now count how many ordered pairs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of elements in M cross N is 6. The reverse question. If M cross N is 1 1, 2 1, 5 1, then find M and n. सो अभी तक आपने किया था, आपको m दिया हुआ था और n दिया हुआ था, आप m क्रॉस n निकालते थे. अब आपको m क्रॉस n दे दिया तो आपको m और n सेट निकालना है. सो वी नो दैट इन m क्रॉस n every first element belongs to m and every second element of ordered pair every second element of ordered pair belongs to n. So first elements, हर पहला एलिमेंट, एक है 1, एक है 2 और एक है 5. सो m सेट कम्स आउट टू बी 1 2 5 m set. Then n set, it is 1 1 1. So we never write 1 3 times in a set, we will write only 1. So these are the elements of m and n. So we know that in p cross q every first element belongs to p and every second element belongs to q. So if you look at every first element, you have 2 3 and 4 repeatedly. So we will not repeat, we will write them just one time. And then every second element is 1 2 1 2 1 2 repeatedly. So we will write only 1 and 2. Then question is, if P has 4 elements but elements are not given to us, and Q has 5 elements, then how many elements will be there in P cross Q and Q cross P? See, if P has 4 elements, then this will be taken as ABCD, just roughly for thinking, and these 5 elements of Q will be taken as 1 2 3 4 5. So how many associations will be there? A will be associated 5 times, then B will be associated 5 times, then C will be associated 5 times, and then D will be associated 5 times. So how many ordered pairs will be generated in P cross Q? In P cross Q will be 5 with A, 5 with B, 5 with C, 5 with D. So it will be total as 20. Now this can also be done by a shortcut formula. The formula for number of elements in P cross Q is number of elements in P multiplied by number of elements in Q. तो P में कितने एलिमेंट्स थे? 4. Q में कितने एलिमेंट्स थे? 5. डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. आपको सपोज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, राइट? सो वैसे भी सपोजिशन नहीं थी, ये हमारी थिंकिंग थी, राइट? तो सिमिलरली अगर मैं Q क्रॉस P में निकालना चाह रहा हूँ कितने एलिमेंट्स होंगे, तो वो कैसे निकलेंगे? नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन Q मल्टीप्लाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन P. Q में कितने एलिमेंट्स? 5. P में कितने एलिमेंट्स? 4. तो टोटल आंसर आ जाएगा 20. कई बार हमारे को एक जनरल क्वेश्चन आता है, इफ सेट A हैज़ m elements and set B has n elements, then find number of elements in A cross B. So answer is number of elements in A cross B is equal to number of elements in A multiplied by number of elements in B. So it has m elements multiplied by n. So your answer is mn. This is a question on ordered pair. If ordered pair x plus 1 comma 5 is equal to 3 comma y plus 2, then find x and y. Now if an ordered pair is equal to the other ordered pair, then x coordinate will be equal to x, yani first elements will be equal to each other and the second elements are also equal to each other. So 5 will be taken as equal to y plus 2 and x plus 1 is taken as equal to 3. So this gives us x equals 2 and y comes out to be 3. So x is 2, y is 3.